Hi friends, in this video we will discuss on how to maintain professionally debit and credit. In Excel, we use basic formulas to maintain debit and credit. You are watching DigiMastery channel. I am Farhan. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start. First, select this cell range and fill the color, and select this range and fill color and all border. Select this cell, write here serial number. In next cell, write date, and in this cell, write description, and in this cell, debit, and in this, credit. And in this cell, write cash balance. Adjust the width of all the cells like this. Select this range and all border from here. Select heading, bold and center it like this. Select this cell and write your company name and merge these cells and center. Select this cell range, merge and center, and write here balance sheet and the end date of the year. Now select this cell range, go to font and border, and select this thick bottom border. Now go to Insert tab. Over here, select this rectangle and draw here like this. Go to Shape Format, fill color white and outline also white. Press Ctrl button and left mouse click and drag like this. Copy this shape and again Ctrl and click and drag like this. Now adjust shape like this. Now go to Insert tab and again select this shape and draw it here. Right mouse click on shape and select Edit Text option. Write here total debit and select this text and font color black. Select this shape and go to Format Shape. Fill no color. Outline also no color. Select this text box. Press Ctrl and with mouse drag and make to copy like this and write here total credit, and here we write cash balance. Now almost our balance sheet structure is complete. Now insert icons like this. You can download icons from internet. Also only PNG icon downloaded. Adjust size like this. And if you want to change icon color, you also do that. First cell of description and write here previous year balance and enter the balance over here. Now we enter some quick data for debit and credit like this. Now select this cell here, we apply a formula. Write is equal to if bracket start, first argument is logic test. Here we apply two conditions. For this we apply AND formula. Right here AND bracket start. Now first condition is if this debit cell is equal to blank. Enter comma. Second condition, this cell which is credit cell also blank. Now close AND formula. Now we are in the if formula. Enter comma. Now second argument of if function is value. Value if true, if this cell and this cell blank, this cell also remain blank. For this, enter double quoted open and close, enter comma. Now third argument of if function is what happen if transaction done in this or this cell. Select this cash balance value cell, enter plus sign, add this debit cell and minus this credit cell. Now close bracket and press enter. Now use fill handle, apply this formula to all range. Now you can see formula properly working. Credit amount minus from this cash balance, remaining amount is this, and this balance add this debit amount and balance is shown here. Now select this cell and press Alt is equal to and select this range and press enter. Now this amount is total debit. And for total credit, repeat this, press Alt is equal to, select range and press enter. Now select this cell and write is equal to and select this total debit amount minus total credit amount. Press enter. Now select this cell, hold, control, select this range, go to format cell and select currency. Decimal places put to 0, select dollar or other currency symbol from here, whatever you want, and press OK. Now you can see currency sign add. Now insert this shape. Select this shape and in formula bar write as equal to and select this cell and press enter. You can see total debit amount here and format it like this. Repeat this process for total credit and for cash balance like this. And adjust all values like this. Now go to page layout and uncheck this box to hide grid lines. And if you want no heading, also uncheck this box. Double click on this tab, ribbon also hide. Select this cell range and white font choose. You can see these values hide. Now here we enter some transaction. You can see all balance sheet updated automatically. Now you can maintain your debit and credit amount from this sheet professionally. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share it. That is appreciation from your side. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.